welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back here in the video just for all of you guys. In this video, we're going to be installing these OEM Plus mods for the Toyota Supra. They're going to be the rear diffuser fins. The Toyota Supra just comes with one fin on each side of the car, but we're going to be installing a second rear fin on the back of the car. And I really just think an extra one will just kind of fill it out. Some of the diffusers on the aftermarket have double fins. I just got these Adro rear spats and these Adro side skirts installed on the Toyota Supra. Man, I am so excited for this car, so excited for the build. I'm just really appreciative of all you guys for watching the videos. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen my social media, this is going to be a 5 for 5 week on my YouTube video. So this is gonna be video number 3 of 5 of the channel. So we got these OEM Plus mod diffuser fins installed on the Toyota Supra. I wanted to give you guys a nice little walk around just so you can see how they look. I'll get nice and close and personal so you guys can see. Anyway, the install was not difficult at all. They had a diagram that you can use to make sure that you're installing them nice and even, nice and straight. You can see these are going to be the OEM diffuser fins. These are going to be the aftermarket ones. Super clean, pretty in there, pretty good. We were able to make sure we did a good job of putting these in. There's a very slight piece that's kind of not fully in, but that's just because it's not molded into the diffuser. But other than that piece, everything is fully in there. Here's the second side. As you guys can see, this is going to be the molded OEM piece right here. This is the aftermarket piece as well. As you can see, just the slight piece, but that's just because it's not molded in. But if you come around, everything is in there very well. The fitment is really good. I have to say, it's like borderline just like OEM, but there's just like those little small pieces on the top just because it can't be molded. But other than that, they are really nice. You can see kind of how they look. Again, they have the diagram so you can make sure you install these nice and even, nice and straight. I think just these adds just much more dynamic to the diffuser. I think it looks great. I was looking at a bunch of diffusers to get, but I didn't want a full carbon fiber diffuser. I kind of wanted to match the gloss black I have on the bumper with the diffuser. I thought just getting the nice carbon pieces on the corner was just a nice subtle touch for the wing. I feel like the carbon fiber diffuser spats I have from Adro is just a nice complement to the carbon fiber I have on the wing. But I really like the all gloss black look of the diffuser and the rear bumper. These OEM Plus mods diffuser fins, I think they're not expensive. They're only like maybe 60 bucks, somewhere around there. But I think it just adds the perfect amount of aggression. It's not too much, but it's not too little with the car. I also think since I have the AWE catback exhaust, I love just how the car sits like this now. I love how everything looks. I think it looks very aggressive. Because I got the AWE catback and especially these gloss black tips, I think they fit the diffuser and the bumper very well. Man, I really wanted to go for a nice aggressive look, but one that doesn't take away too much from the actual supercar. I think this is just the perfect styling for what I was going for, especially with the taillights. Having the clear taillights definitely looks fantastic with the car. Really happy just with how everything just is shaping up, guys. Like, not too aggressive on the diffuser part, but just enough to where you're like, wow, okay, this is perfect. Overall, man, so excited for just how this car is shaping up. Really happy with how these OEM Plus diffuser fins look. Let me go from the side so you guys can see. This is how they look. Perfectly fit the car. Like I said, you can't really tell at all, like, unless you get all the way zoomed up. But even then, it's so minor because it's just not molded. Like you can see, that's molded, that's not. That's molded, that's not. But the fins, perfect fitment everywhere else. They're in there really tight. They're not moving, really tight, and absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you guys like the video, subscribe button, follow the journey. The next video I have is going to be the carbon fiber steering wheel with the Alcantara on the car. That's going to be the next video for the channel. But anyway, guys, thanks for always supporting the channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the builds. Lots of Supra content, lots of Corvette content. And I look forward to continuing to make them and hopefully having you guys enjoy the videos. Everyone have a great day, y'all. Keep working hard, keep going after your dreams, and make them reality. Peace, y'all.